In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable password sharing with your family on your iPhone. Apple's Passwords app lets you securely share passwords and passkeys with trusted family members, making it easier for everyone to access shared accounts. So make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone and iOS tutorials. To get started, open the Passwords app on your iPhone and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode if prompted. Once you're in the Passwords app, hit Shared Groups. If you haven't created a shared group yet, tap Get Started. Enter a name for the group, then tap Add People and select the family members or contacts you want to invite. After that, tap Correct icon. Next, choose the passwords or passkeys you'd like to share with the group, then tap Add People. The people you invited will receive an invitation, and once they accept, they'll be able to securely access the shared passwords from their own Passwords app. You can return to the shared group at any time to add or remove passwords, invite more people, or delete, and that's it. That's how you can enable password sharing with family on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips, password sharing guides, and iOS security tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.